Hello everyone, I'm Siri Blumberg, your local realtor here in Gainesville, Florida. Welcome to Oaks Preserve by Horton in Gainesville, Florida. Today I would love to show you Elston floor plan. The home with 4 bed, 2.5 bath, 2-car garage, 2-story. Elston home has total of 2,176 square feet total heated space. At the current market, today June 2024, the price of this home is just under $396,000 US. Are you ready? Let's walk around and see if you like anything, or if you like something, please let me know in the comment. Thank you. Alright, let's walk up to the second floor with me. The steps here covered with the carpet, and let's take a look around. Carpet floor right here, and 4 bedrooms with 2 bathrooms. And please let me know in the comments if you like the decorations or anything about this house. Thank you. The location of the Oaks Preserve neighborhood is off the Archer Road in Gainesville, Florida, about 5 minutes from I-75, the Celebration Point Shopping Center, and the movie theater, and about 5 miles from the University of Florida, UF Health Hospitals, and the VA. If you are the big fan of bird watching at Sweetwater Wetlands Park, it's only 6 miles from here. So, what do you think about this home? If you are interested in any new construction or any dear Horton homes in Alachua County, please let me know. And I would love to represent you as a buyer agent. The benefit of having me as a buyer agent is that I am only work for you, not for the seller. In addition, the seller will compensate a buyer agent like me. So use me wisely. Text 352-284-2471. Thank you for watching and have a great day. Bye.